Brilliant. Okay, setup looks really good, mate. Maybe just snuck onto your heels a little bit, yeah? But setup looks good. And then after you do your little rehearsal, okay, watch how the shoulders open up a little bit. Okay, so now after the initial good setup, then those shoulders opened up a little bit again. Mate, from there, a lot of good stuff. Okay, good balance. Everything looking pretty good. All right, we just extensions getting there, but the balance and footwork much better. Okay, now we just got to get this bloody club face. Okay, so we're just setting that club face way too open. So it's already open there. It should be somewhere there. Okay, beautiful change of direction. Use the legs beautifully. Club in the slot, but this face is just so open. Okay, it should be there. And then very open coming into impact. Okay, flick this one square, but then obviously because of that, it's going to have that big tail on. Because we're not compressing the ball, we're glancing the ball. So it just comes out too high, a little bit too much side spin. Extension pretty good, yeah, mate. Well done. Very good. Right, so mostly club face. Still a bit of extension, but mostly club face. Okay, just a beautiful setup here. Okay. Really engaged in your legs, hips are not too deep, shoulders are nice and square. Just really, really good setup. Takeaway good. Club a little bit open. Change of direction, brilliant. Okay, face is open, but everything else is good. And that's where the little bit of inefficiency and inconsistency is coming from. The rest is just brilliant. Hey, Manny, okay, so we can see how much good stuff there is there. Obviously, just watch with the driver that once we do the little routine of dropping it in the slot, which obviously we have to keep. Okay, once we do that routine, that we go and then open the shoulders up. Okay, so just keep an eye on that. With the irons not issue, the setup's really, really good. Okay, so it's just club face. Extension is getting there. We will obviously keep pushing it. Okay, but it's just club face. So we know we can do a little bit with the left hand grip, but you feel a bit uncomfortable with that, I understand. So we've just got to learn how to set the club there, not there. And then again, as we change direction, this club's got to close here. We can't have it so open. Okay, everything else is fantastic. Okay, and then from there we can go through that golf ball, and we're going to start compressing it again. Even in that driver video, it doesn't matter if you go so open and close. It kind of half starts on line, but you're still glancing the ball, so the ball comes up a little too high and then weak. It's also making club selection for your second shots more difficult, because they're just coming out a little bit weak. So we're not hitting the irons at the correct distance. Look, obviously that's a little bit to do with the extension as well, because obviously when that face is so open, it's hard to keep the handle forward because the ball's going to go right. So it all works together. So it's close the face, lead the handle, and extend through the hitting area. And we just got to keep pushing. Okay, rest of the game looks really, 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 really good. Starting to look very neat. I'm super happy. Okay, we just keep pushing on.